Whoa. I get long hair and shorter. This is really weird. Can you tell it's me?
Who are you?
Danny.
You're not Danny?
I'm definitely Danny. I sneezed and we changed bodies.
I don't know.
Like watch, ready?
You see? I'm pretty jacked now.
Hi Cousin O, I'm Carmen and these are your daily announcements. Yearbook distribution was done Friday, however there were many students who were absent. Students may pick up their yearbooks in room 126 during 2nd and 4th hours only if teachers give them permission. Please do not send students during other class periods. Students who would like to buy a yearbook may do so during 2nd and 4th hour. The cost is $75. The Warren Community Center is currently looking to hire approximately 10 lifeguards in the coming weeks in preparation for summer. Any boys interested in playing tennis next fall, there will be an informational meeting in room 119 on Wednesday, May 27th, right after school, which is today, right after school. Have a good day, Cousin O.
Maggie Moo, come here. You want to see something sweet?
Sure.
Achoo!
Whew!
Oh my gosh. What'd you just do?
Oh no. Oh no. Achoo!
Darn it.
What's up, Danny?
Danny, you gotta sneeze so we can change back into our own bodies.
Yeah, I gotta shave my legs.
Hold up. I got a plan, guys. Let's all sneeze at the same time. Alright, guys, you ready? 1, 2, 3.